Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. It's been a long time. And I'm just gonna come over here. I wanna come on here and update you guys, and let's just go from there because y'all already know me. If you're new here, I'm Marielle, also known as ItsaCurlysituation, and we on a hair journey. So I'm in the middle of deep conditioning my hair, and I thought I can come on here and show you guys my little cut. Like, I literally cut all my heat damage off, y'all. I don't know if you guys remember, I don't even know, maybe in November, I started dealing with postpartum shedding, which were on my edges and they've flourished, but I had heat damage, so I just cut it all off. As you can see, my hair has no real shape to it, but girl, it's healthy, especially this side. Like, if you guys don't know and you are new, this front of my hair is looser than all of my other hair, no matter how much I cut it, as well as my little hairs right here. So this is all healthy, fresh curls that we have on my head, and I'm absolutely loving it. So let me scooch out in a little bit more. So I've already washed my hair with the Paul Mitchell's, if we can focus here, Paul Mitchell's Shampoo 2. It's a clarifying shampoo. I just start clean, fresh hair. And I'm deep conditioning with my OG fave, which is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So I already have it in my hair. So we're just gonna talk through it. So I have a low porosity hair, and I need to apply my deep treatment on my hair when it's damp in order for it to kind of absorb into my hair. So I cut my hair because I was dealing with heat damage. After I had my son, my fourth baby, I decided to straighten my hair, on top of it being like after pregnancy. You know, pregnancy hair is beautiful and it flourishes, but you're going to have to deal with postpartum shedding, and that's what I was dealing with. And so I decided to straighten my hair. Like, okay, let's make it easier on myself. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to completely go back to finger detangling, but this product is gliding onto my juicy curls, y'all. Y'all, I was a little bit sad. Like, I literally threatened to cut my hair. Like, prior to this little big chop, I cut my hair so many times prior, just like trims, cutting it off out of frustration. So it's not the most even cut, but all my curls are healthy, and that's the goal. So per usual, I'm going to put on my plastic cap and my heat cap to deep condition my hair, and we're gonna go from there. I'm really just working the product into my hair. Like, look at my curls. Oh my gosh, guys. And the ease of short hair. I love it. I'm ecstatic. I'm gonna enjoy every stage of my cut this time. Like, I'm not gonna rush anything. My goal is to grow back out, of course, but just 100% healthy as best as I can. And so this week, this wash week is moisture week. So I'm using a moisture deep treatment, and then next week will be a protein treatment, which is like a protein rich deep conditioner. Always starting off with a clean base, guys, you know. And I'm going to be washing my hair once a week, but there is the product thoroughly applied, and I'm just moving my shed away. You guys, look how Just removing my shed hair. It's typical that you shed, you know. I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil because I have some. I'm just figuring out what my hair likes. And this is the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Strength Serum. I'm just going to apply it on my entire shaft of hair. It's pretty, it's lightweight. My gosh, guys, the ease of short hair. The ease of short hair. Applying a little bit more oil. To my hair. It smells like cherries. And we're gonna go ahead and apply our cap. For low porosity hair, you want to use some type of heat, rather that be sitting under a hooded dryer. Use your blow dryer to heat it up, or use a heat cap. They have like heat caps that look like shower caps, or I have this OG. I've had this since I first went natural. You just pop it in the microwave and you warm it up, and then I'm just gonna put it on my head. Just to your hair, and it's kind of like a little towel. Just very convenient. And then you just wrap it around. Okay, we're back here. Go ahead and take this off. Ooh, look at it. Nice and moisturized. Hey guys, so here are my curls after the deep conditioner. Everything looks pretty even and symmetrical. However, once I styled it, I noticed that my top layer curls were a lot longer than my undercut curls. So I trimmed all of those off. As you guys can see, it hanging a lot lower. I cut those and I cut a little bit more of my front curls. But overall, I'm loving this shortcut. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.